Aditya Gupta and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you a very interesting video about when you're when you're going to Ladakh. There are hundreds of questions going on in your mind, like what to carry, what not to carry. Is one oxygen cylinder enough? Is what all we get over there as a food? What all consumables do I need to carry? And tons of questions. So here I am with a video, I'm going to visit Ladakh today. I mean, not today, but it's in this week itself. And my Ladakh trip will begin on 15th of June 2018 and it will be ending on 1st of July. So it is on and on about 15 days of trip. We'll be riding our bikes. I'll be putting my bike into the train and I'll be going there over via flight because of my job. I mean, it was very difficult for me to get the holidays of 15 days. I'm into IT, so I hope you can understand what it's very difficult to have such a long holiday trip. So that is the reason I'm going to transport my vehicle through the bike. I'm going to transport my vehicle through the train and I'll be boarding a flight on Friday. My buddies who have managed to get their leaves will be riding all over from Mumbai to Ladakh. In 4 days they'll be covering this distance of 2100 kilometers. So subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a lot of videos which will be very informative. I'll be posting it on my YouTube channel. Even I'll be posting a video about packaging my bike and sending it over through the train, what all steps are involved, how to package your bike and what all things you need. So stay tuned. Without further ado, let's begin the video. I'll try my best to answer all your questions. If you have any questions, do post it in the comment box and I'll try to answer them. Let's begin. This is the big list of things that I'm gonna carry. We'll start with this one. This one is the it is a 15 degrees Celsius sleeping bag, but I am going to carry thermals, so I'm going to this will be comfortable. So the next thing is, and this is a backpack that I'm gonna carry. It has some of the important things like my jeans and my raincoat and what you call as tadpatri, the plastic that I'll be putting on my bike when the bike is in parked state. Okay, so this is the rain cover for the bag. Then I have a bunch of bungee cables over here. I'm carrying 3 to 4 bungee cables. This is a lock that I'm going to use for helmet locking purpose. Then these are some rainy shoes that I'm carrying. These are some cheap rainy shoes that I found, which are completely flexible and of rubber, which will be useful while crossing the nalas or the waterlogged areas. Then this is my tank bag. I have my Canon DSLR in it, Canon 1300D, and this is the silica gel pouch that I'm storing it near my electronic devices. This is my lens that I specifically purchased for Ladakh, my Canon 10-18mm lenses. These are ultra wide lenses which will be useful in capturing the landscape in detail. This is the cloth that I'll be using to clean my bike. Then microfiber cloth, that is actually. This is the waste pouch which I'll be using to store useful documents that will be you need to keep handy, like bike papers and train tickets and flight tickets and etc. This is the small selfie stick for mobile. This is my Hydra bladder, which I'm going to use in company with this bag. This is a 2-liter capacity Hydra pack, as you can see. This is my VNet V6 phone Bluetooth intercom, which will be useful when you're commuting in groups. Then this is my SJ cam, SJ6 Legend. This is a helmet cleaner. It is actually a disinfectant for helmet. So because when you ride continuously, there might be chances that bacteria might have grown inside the helmet. So for that purpose, this is Motul chain lube and chain clean. This is basically the chain lube. I have chain clean as well, which is inside that bag. Okay, so and this is my selfie stick for SJ cam. Then these are actually a pair of gloves. They are skiing gloves actually, but you can see that they are like very soft and cozy, and this will be effective in winter as well as they are waterproof. So these are perfect for Ladakh trip. So I've purchased this from Decathlon in 400 bucks, and this is a small bag actually. Again, I have actually divided this in 2 to 3 bags. I've distributed the luggage because I'll be boarding a flight, and my friends who are riding over there from Mumbai will be bringing my excess luggage, which is more than 222 kilos. So this is the protein bar that I have purchased. I have purchased 6 of them. Okay, so and this is the tool set that I am carrying. It is Bosch skill tool set. This is my first aid kit. I have some useful medicines in it, like Digene antacid. If you are going into Ladakh and you are on a 15-20 days trip, you are prone to get acidity and such stuff. So for that purpose, this is Crocin for mild fever. This is Combiflame for pain. It is a plain painkiller. This is Pudinhara for stomach ache. Then this is very important medicine, that is Dimox. This is for altitude sickness. Then I have 5 to 6 sachets of ORS for dehydration purpose. Then this is betadine powder. This is very useful for this is a microcidal powder. All right. This basically cleans the wound and stops the blood flow. So this is soframycin. This is Dettol antiseptic liquid, and here we have cotton roll and cotton bandages. So that's it for first aid kit. This is some of the stuff that I'm carrying. Eatables, chips. Then I have this chocolate bars and some biscuits. This is, as I said earlier, I am carrying thermals. So these are thermal pants that I got from Decathlon. Pretty good. This is very important thing, my riding jacket with all the inner thermals. You can see the thermal liner has been come out. These are my riding gloves, HDI gloves. This is a funnel that I am carrying for filling the petrol. As I am transporting my bike through train, there will be no fuel in it, so I need to input fuel. Also, if you are carrying fuel cans, then you need this thing. It is a small thing, but it is very important. These are my riding pants, XDI riding pants. This is a t-shirt, basically dry fit material. This is my towel, and here comes the interesting stuff. My electronic pack. These are USB lights. This is a torch. This is a multi-plug. Some extra wires, card reader, OTG cable, pen drive, power bank. This is my remote control for SJ cam. This is the charging cable. This is again some extra wire and an electric tape. And this is my helmet. with all the SD cam accessories mounted on it. I have mounted one on the top of my helmet and one on this side, so that I can capture both the views. These are my t-shirts and clothes. Basically, I'm taking it in this plastic because in Ladakh you are not certain how the weather can change, so basically, to keep them dry, I'm using this plastic materials. I'm having 3 t-shirts inside this, 2 t-shirts over here. Totally I'm carrying 5 to 6 t-shirts, 1 track pant, 1 woolen gloves, and that's it. And these are my saddle bags, which at present I'm not using. I'm not storing any kind of material inside it. So that's it, guys. I hope I have explained everything in detail. And yeah, one more thing I missed. These are not mine, but I'm trying to. These are the RE riding boots, Royal Enfield riding boots, and I've taken this from a friend. Actually, I need to just test it on this ride. If I feel comfortable in it, I'm gonna buy the same. So that's it, guys, and this is the complete detailed list of things that I'm carrying to my Leh Ladakh bike trip. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like if you find this video helpful, and do share it to people visiting Ladakh, so that they can make preparations